By a quiet little stream on an old mossy log, looking very forlorn, sat a little green frog. He would a sleek speckled back and two bright yellow eyes, and when dining, selected the choicest of flies. The sun was so hot he scarce opened his eyes, far too lazy to stare, let alone watch for flies. He was nodding and
and
nodding
nodding
and
and
almost asleep
almost asleep
when a
when
voice
a voice
in the branches
in branches
chirped,
chirped,
"Froggy,
froggy,
cheep, cheep,
cheep, cheep.
you'd better take care,"
Better take care.
piped the bird to the frog.
Pipe the bird to the frog.
"In the water
In the water,
you will be if you
if you
fall off the log."
fall off the log.